Today, I'm going to be unboxing my new Kuvings Revo 830 whole, slow, cold press juicer and giving my first impressions as well as sharing my first use review. Hi everyone, my name is Adrienne, and on this channel, I share my passion for health, wellness, and Jesus, and I'd love to have you subscribe. As soon as I opened the box, the instruction manual and recipe book of over 100 pages were sitting right on top. This juicer came with a separate citrus juicer, which was a big selling point for me. Here is the base of the juicer, which is actually pretty solid in terms of weight. This is the juicing bowl with the juicing strainer already inside. Super easy assembly. The juicing bowl just sits right inside the grooves of the base. Here is the on and off switch. There's also a reverse switch, which I found pretty nice in case of any juicing jams. This is the cleaning tool to help clean off each of the different strainers. Here is the smoothie strainer, good for semi-frozen fruits and veggies. And then we have the blank strainer, good for nut milks and different sorbets. This juicer also came with a cleaning brush, a round brush, and a lid opener. Here are the two cups, the smaller one for juice and the bigger one for pulp. Although I switched mine around because I anticipated having more juice than pulp, they also both have measurements on each side, one in milliliters and the other one in cups for easy and quick reference. This is the chute and drum all in one piece. This is where our produce is going to go through. It has a retractable lid with a lock option in case we need it. This is the pusher to push produce that gets stuck inside the chute. I was initially guessing where this was supposed to go, but I guessed right. Here is the piece that makes the magic happen, the juicing screw. I was very surprised to learn that this piece didn't have any sharp edges, but was pretty solid and had a decent weight to it. All right, now let's assemble all the pieces and get ready for our first use and to hear how it sounds. I was playing with things a little bit here and I learned that drum lid will not click closed until that juicing screw is in its exact proper place.